Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ToFit.Linda. This is Linda Emmanuel and I'm on a journey to losing 120 pounds. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, I thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all a road trip to Chilling Waterfall that I went few months ago. I went to a waterfall here in Malaysia, a chilling waterfall with my husband. So I'm just going to show you people a few clips of the adventure here. It took us 3 kilometers to get to the waterfall. From the gate to the waterfall, it took us 3 kilometers, and we had to pass 6 rivers to get to the waterfall. Yeah, so stay tuned, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe right now and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And go follow me on my Facebook page ToFit.Linda, and on my Instagram account Linda_King111, and also on my podcast ToFit.Linda. I will be leaving the links in the description box below, so go follow me, like, share, and subscribe. So enjoy the rest of the video. We are here at
Chilling Waterfall. Here was us.
All right, we've crossed the second river. Now heading to the third one. I'm soaked. My boots are soaked. Wow. This is the third river. The third river you're about to cross. Wow. Let's do it. Still far? Very far? The waterfall? Is it still far? The waterfall? How many minutes? 10 minutes. All right. Oh. 3 more rivers. The fourth river we are crossing now. Okay. Just crossed the fourth river. We're almost there. Very scary, but no. This is the fifth river. We are crossing. About to cross the sixth river. So this is the sixth one. I'm almost there. Gonna hold the rope direction. This is real adventure. Real adventure.